Hello, how you doing? My name's Emmanuel. I'm with Sunny Day. I'm a contractor here with on a Alicia Roper's roof at 1263 Marvin Avenue, Charleston, South Carolina. Anyways, what we have here is a wind crease shingle. I don't know if you need to get closer to see this. As you can see, there's fiberglass poking through the top of that. That's been sitting here for a while, right? The one above this, if you want to zoom in on that, it's perfectly fine. There's no damage whatsoever throughout this. Like, look at that. Zoom in on this so they can see that it's a perfectly defined shingle. My job is to try to repair this shingle and not damage this and not lift it above 45 degrees. If I can do that, the roof is repairable. If I can't do that, then I need someone to retake a look at whatever the coverage decision was, because it doesn't make sense. The amount of foot traffic we're gonna have to do to get up on this roof and replace all these shingles, it's kind of ridiculous. All right, awesome, let's get started. So, in order to properly do this, I gotta expose the nails under this because the nailing strip's right here. So I gotta get under this one right here. And I gotta kind of pop it up, right? It's actually coming up very easy. There we go. Now, I'm not gonna, if you want to come to the side, Vic, just so they can see, this will stop the shingle from lifting above 45 degrees. Maybe if you got closer and lower, they can tell. Right here, this is called a roof snake. It's gonna prevent it from lifting above 45, right? And if you see right here, shingles are nailed in above. So I'm gonna start off with this nail. Pop that out of, oh, that thing's stuck in there, ain't it? All right, so now this nail. Stuck in there, ain't it? Brought my other gloves up here. Alright, perfect. I gotta get this one up too. I don't want to take this all the way up because I don't want to lift it unnecessarily. This is where the shingle stops. So alright, now in this process, I've now taken all the nails out. I should just be able to slide this thing out. Oftentimes, when the roof is putting up the roof, they put an extra nail on the top. So now I gotta get under this one. I gotta lift these up. See, it's just kind of coming up. I gotta be careful not to damage the pre-existing shingles best I possibly can. Let's see, maybe that might be.
Yes, ma'am. No.
That thing was stuck in there. All right. That thing is stuck down there.
Yeah.
I wanna... Let's see. There we go. Alright. You wanna come in and take a look at that? So I'm gonna slide this shingle out. This thing is destroyed, right? And my job is to, if you want to zoom in and look at that shingle, replace it with this. As I walk up here, I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 damaged shingles just on this slope. I don't know if they were all accounted for, but they should have been in the initial inspection. I'm gonna slide this one in here, and hopefully it's an easy transfer. I'm gonna have to go get coffee and fill in the gaps. There we go. Boom, boom. All right. A couple things I want to point out here. Just in the process, the matting is now exposed. Look at that. Those are crease lines, dude. That's ridiculous. I barely moved these shingles, and they're already starting to rip. What is that? What is that? This is ridiculous, dude. Sometimes, like, it feels like some of these companies just don't do the homeowner justice, and it's like, what do you guys expect us to do here? I've been doing this for almost half a decade now, replacing roofs, getting up here, and it's like, we do these dances. It's almost all counterintuitive, because at the end of the day, if you ask me, the homeowner deserves better than that. It's whatever. I don't make the game, dude. Just playing by the rules. You know what I mean? Brand new shiny nails. There. Alright. Maybe I'll put one more right there just for safe measure. Oh, shiny. Not everything that shines is gold, am I right, brother?
That's right.
Alright. Let's take a closer look, why don't we? You want to come in here so I can show them what we're talking about? This chalk is just blistered, but if you see that, you see that?
Mm-hmm.
There's obviously crease lines forming. This was perfectly fine. Like, look up top right there.
Yeah.
Hold on. And then also, go next to the pipe boot and show them that. That's crazy. Like, that's a complete. What am I gonna do here? I gotta lift this and that. That's crazy. Come over here. This is already starting to get a little stuck down, but like right up here, get close to it so they can see that. Can you see that on the camera?
Yep.
Like that entire line that's forming up there?
Yeah.
Like, this is what I would call a damaged shingle. This one above it, the mat is showing, this needs to be replaced as well. So now, in replacing one shingle, I've added plus one. If you really want to get technical with it, look at that. Plus one. So that's 3 shingles for every one. So you expect me to replace this shingle, not lifting above 45 degrees, right? Fix that one, fix that one, fix that one. That's 3. There's about 7 on the slope. So 7 times 3, that's 21 shingles, right? Not even to mention the fact that when I replace this one, I gotta replace this because this is gonna get damaged. So now we got 4, 5, 6, because this is above both of those. I'm just gonna have to replace from this point up. So I would really like the insurance to give me another way of doing this, maybe another tool. I've been doing this for years and I've actual experience putting on roofs and taking them off. So maybe if you guys could just direct us on how to move forward in this process to help the homeowner out